Diksha Mishra, a fashion, lifestyle and motherhood content creator. I am the Global Spa Fit and Fab. So my fitness mantra is that there is no mantra. Fitness is a lifelong journey. It is a lifestyle. You have to do something about it every day of your life, just the way you eat food. So my wellness philosophy, okay, it has to be something very basic. I truly believe that wellness comes from here, having the right kind of mind space, and your body will kind of radiate that. So my wellness philosophy is very simple. It's sticking to the basics, it's sticking to your roots, and you will see everything falls into space and you don't need anything fancy. Trust you me, all of that is a gimmick. So my fitness regime is again keeping it very simple. I truly believe movement is therapy. It has to be like a lifestyle, and every day we try and kind of shuffle between various workout regimes. I do not like to stick to one particular thing. I get very bored. So I would alternate between cardio, between strength training, a Pilates day, and maybe one day just running behind my kids and playing with them. That is the best form of fitness. I have no diet secrets. I truly believe in sticking to our roots. I eat a lot of ghee, I eat dal chawal, I eat as clean as possible and eat my Indian ghar ka khana. And along with that, I do not believe in sticking to a very hardcore diet. I've never been a believer in that. You cannot, it's not a sustainable lifestyle. Cheat in moderation, cheat every now and then. You should always know the 80-20 rule. Oh yes, my entire family and we're a team. For us, fitness has to be together. If say it's a weekend, we go climbing together, or maybe in the mornings if we're running, we try and include our kids in that. If I'm eating quinoa for lunch, my kids are also eating dal and quinoa. So it's all one cohesive team, and we don't make it look like something special. This is just ordinary. This is how we live life. It's a lifestyle. Well, the most rewarding aspect of being a creator and actually connecting with your followers is, even if you can inspire one of them, I truly believe my job is done. Influencing is a very misconstrued term nowadays, but I truly believe in, if I can just inspire somebody, or if I could also get inspired by someone, connecting with them, learning from them, sharing stories, and my job there is done. Very good question. I'm actually a big believer in routine. For me, routine plays one of the biggest roles. Having discipline and routine will solve 99% of your problems. Trust me, you'll have time for everything. You just need to make time. Everybody has those 24 hours. Being a mom, not a mom, working mom, stay-at-home mother, whatever your life situation is, I truly believe if you just prioritize, have a discipline routine in place, you can literally make time for anything and everything. I feel super elated and honored to be winning this award. Thank you so much, Team Global Spa. To be recognized for your efforts and the contribution you're making towards the society truly means a lot. So thank you.